When you search for pot lids, everything looks the same. Same materials, same designs, and the same claims. But to find the lids that truly fit for cooking style and needs, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Guanxi Silicone Lids. We have the Guanxi Silicone Lids. This set of 8 colorful lids is priced to $22.99, and what caught my attention is their versatile sizing, ranging from 4.3 inches to 12 inches. If you want a lid that can cover just about any bowl or pot, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These silicone lids are made from food-grade silicone that can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use them in the microwave, oven, and even the fridge. They prevent splatter when cooking, keeping your microwave clean, which is something we can all appreciate. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold recently, people are clearly interested. Now, some people complain that the lids don't have a strong vacuum suction function. Here's the thing though, this isn't a deal breaker for most users, since the main purpose is to keep food fresh and avoid messes, which they do quite well. This is perfect for you if you often make soups or stews and need something to cover your pots. Skip this one if you're looking for a lid that creates a vacuum seal, as it might not meet that specific need. But for the price, this set offers great value for the versatility it provides. Now, if the Guanxi lid's lack of suction bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Cookware Universal Lid. We have the Cookware Universal Lid, which is a 2-pack priced at $23.99. What's great about this product is its universal fit for cookware ranging from 7 to 12 inches. If you want a lid that can adapt to various pots and pans, this is definitely worth considering. The tempered glass and silicone design means you can keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid, thanks to its steam vent which prevents boilovers. This feature is crucial for those times when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup super easy. With over 900 sold recently, it seems like others are loving it too. However, some users noted that the silicone rim can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, as long as you rinse it right after use, it won't be a major issue. If you're someone who values ease of use and versatility, this lid could be a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of cookware and want a single lid to cover them all. Skip this one if you prefer a lid that's exclusively designed for just one pot type. For the functionality it offers, it's a good price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more durable solution.
Product number 3. Udo Blue Universal Lid. Let's talk about the Udo Blue Universal Lid, priced at just $14.49. This lid covers pots and pans from 6.5 to 12.5 inches. It's a great option if you want something that's both affordable and versatile. What's impressive about this lid is its tempered glass construction, allowing you to see your food while cooking, which helps retain flavor and moisture. The heat-resistant silicone rim creates a secure seal on various cookware shapes. This is important for preventing spills and keeping heat in. With more than 400 units sold recently, it's clearly meeting a need. Some reviewers did mention that it doesn't fit all pans perfectly, but here's the thing. With a universal design, it's meant to cover a variety of sizes, so while it may not be a perfect fit for every single pot, it works well enough for most. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable replacement lid for lost ones. Skip this if you're looking for a lid that fits like a glove on a specific pot. At its price point, it's a smart choice for those needing flexibility. Now, if you liked the flexibility of the Udo Blue lid but want something a bit more stylish, keep watching.
Product number 4. Koritao Glass Lid. We have the Koritao 12-inch glass lid, priced at $16.89. I was really impressed by the thermal reinforced glass that's much safer than regular glass. If you want durability with style, this lid is worth checking out. The stainless steel reinforced rim adds to its durability, making it break resistant while providing a tight seal to lock in flavors. This is crucial for anyone who enjoys slow cooking or simmering dishes. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It's also lightweight compared to cast iron lids, which is a bonus. With about 400 sold recently, it's gaining popularity. However, some people found the lid can get a bit heavy to handle. Here's the thing though, for a glass lid that offers this level of durability, a little extra weight isn't too much to deal with, especially if you're looking for something that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional lid for your cookware. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight and easy to maneuver. For the quality you get, it's a worthwhile investment.
Now, if you need a smaller lid that still packs a punch, let's take a look at the last product.
Product number 5, Ecolution Universal Lid. We have the Ecolution Universal Lid, priced at $11.69. This lid is designed to fit pots and pans ranging from 6 to 8 inches. If you're looking for an economical solution without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth your time. This lid features a clear glass design, allowing you to monitor your food while cooking. The stainless steel steam vent helps release excess moisture, which is important for preventing spills, and it's dishwasher safe, so you can clean it up easily after use. With about 400 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. Some customers pointed out that it may not fit larger pots well, but here's the thing. If you mainly use smaller pans, this lid is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal, and its affordability makes it hard to pass up. This is perfect for you if you have smaller cookware and need a reliable lid. Skip this one if you primarily use larger pots and pans. For the price, you really can't go wrong.
Each of these pot lids has its own strengths and weaknesses. The Guanxi silicone lids are versatile. The Komakuru universal lid offers great adaptability. The Udo Blue is affordable. The Koritao provides style and durability, and the Ecolution is budget-friendly for smaller pans. Depending on your cooking needs, any of these could be a great fit for your kitchen.